Hello guys, this your I just want to show a little analysis on welcome to my daily forex weekly focus. So on this focus I'm going to be analyzing DXY. So for the weekly analysis I just want to analyze DXY. Let's analyze to see what the trend is all about. So I'll be analyzing three pairs on this episode. So this is my episode 1. So I will be analyzing DSY now. So this is DSY. So before you do any analysis, first of all, as I said earlier, you have to go to the weekly or to the daily time frame. Make sure you go to the higher time frame. So and now you can see I've spotted out. So this is actually a daily time frame. So on DSY on daily time frame, you can see that the market is actually bearish. The market is bearish from the higher side. So you see it's giving a lower high, lower low, a lower high, lower low, showing a bearish indicator. So when you zoom in or you zoom out, you discover something here. I'm seeing something here. Then first of all, I'm seeing a shift in market structure on DSY. So DSY has shifted structure. So and after shifting structure, I'm seeing another block. So you mark out the zones and the other blocks so that you can easily spot it out. So you can see this is a gap, and when you go to the higher time frame, you also see, or to the weekly time frame, you discover that it's actually another block. So I'm seeing a gap up there after the shift in market structure. So and after seeing this gap, the next thing I'm also observing on these pairs, I'm also seeing a liquidity. So if you go to my previous video, you discover that I made mention about liquidity, how to spot liquidity on your chart. So and now this is actually the liquidity. I'm expecting it to come and take out this liquidity. Then I'll be expecting a sell from DSY. So this is my shift in market structure here. This is shift in market structure, and this is liquidity. The next thing we're going to do is for it to tap on our POI. Then we look for a sell in DSY from this POI. So this week we'll be expecting DSY we'll be shutting DSY. And you always know that whenever DSY is bearish, you will also be expecting other pairs like the EURUSD, the GBP USD, and the non-USD pairs to be bullish as well. So but first of all, the daily time frame is not giving us the overall, it's not giving us the clearly view. So you have to scale down to the 4-hour time frame to see the recent trend. So and when you zoom out, you discover that yes, everything is bearish, but you also see something that the market is actually going up. It's going up to tap on that POI before it now come down. So we're expecting DSY to move up to tap on our POI before coming down. So but first of all, we're expecting a little bullish run to the up, to the POI, as I said, to this POI. Then we'll be expecting DSY to fall. So on DSY, we are currently buying to sell. We call it buy to sell. So we're expecting DSY to go up to tap on this our POI before falling down. So that's my analysis for DSY. First of all, it has shifted structure and it's tapping. We are waiting it to tap on the POI before falling down. So the next analysis, the next pairs is EURUSD. So EURUSD is the next pairs on this episode. So actually, as I said earlier before, the opposite of DSY is EURUSD. Whenever DSY is bearish, we're expecting EURUSD to be bullish. So here is EURUSD. EURUSD is actually bullish because first of all, it has shifted structure to the higher side. Sorry guys, I've drawn it already before. EURUSD has shifted structure to the higher side. This is actually the shift in structure on EURUSD. So it has shifted structure to the higher side. Let me put it there. So shift in structure on EURUSD. So EURUSD has shifted structure. Then after shifting structure, the next thing again is the liquidity. This is the liquidity. This is the liquidity. So we're expecting EURUSD to fall down to this our POI. Then we'll be expecting a bullish run on Euro USD. Since the dollar index, the DXY, is bearish, then we'll also be expecting Euro USD to be bullish. So that's why I said whenever DXY is bullish, we're expecting Euro USD to be bearish, and whenever Euro USD is bearish, also be expecting the DXY to be bullish. But currently now, the DXY is weak, the dollar index is weak, so we're expecting Euro USD to be bullish. I'm actually using my phone to do this little analysis so that you will not be complaining that maybe you don't have PC or you don't have laptop, so you will not be able to analyze charts. You can also use your phone to analyze charts. That's the reason why I'm using phone to analyze these charts. So the next person we'll be expecting next is gold. Gold is one of my favorite pairs. So gold has been buying since earlier this year, since January. Gold has been bullish so far. Gold has been bullish. You can see it from the higher side, from the 4-hour to the daily, from the 4-hour time frame. You see that from the daily time frame, you discover that gold has been bullish since earlier this year. Gold has been very, very bullish. So even though gold has been bullish, that doesn't make you just go to the chart and start buying gold. No. So the first thing you're going to do is get down to the 4-hour time frame, then to see the trends, to see the little trend. But you go to the daily time frame. I've gone to the daily time frame before to see the overall trend, and we discover that gold is bullish. So the next thing you're going to do is to get down to the 4-hour time frame. I'm pointing down the 4-hour time frame. Then and you can see that something I observe about gold. Whenever you want to trade this gold, always look for a buy opportunity. Gold is always good in buying than selling. Whenever gold is selling, take this from me please. Whenever gold is selling, you will discover that it's actually a retracement. Gold hardly sell, but whenever gold is selling, it's actually a retracement. Maybe it's retracing down to buy. So always look for a buy opportunity on gold to avoid being stopped out. So that's what I've observed what gold has been doing. Gold has been very, very bullish since earlier this year, and it's a safe haven. So it's always good for you to be buying gold than selling gold. It's a safe haven. That's where the most investors put their money whenever the stock exchange is crashing. So gold has been buying for a long period of time. So when you zoom out, you discover since last week or since last month, I've seen about 3 opportunities on gold. This is the first one. I also shared this on my previous videos. So gold bought from this place after taking all those liquidity, and this is actually the second one, and this is the third one. This was last week on the 4-hour time frame. Gold actually bought from this place. After saying this, I even took this trade. So you can see gold came to this zone, and after tapping on the zone, it reacted, and after reacting on the zone, I bought from this place, and we went up to this side about almost 500 pips. So as I said earlier, always look for a buy opportunity in gold so that you will not stop out. You will not be a liquidity to the market, because anytime you see a retracement on gold, you discover the gold is actually retracing down to buy. So this is actually my analysis for these 2 pairs, but I'll be analyzing more on the next episode, which is the episode 2 on this YouTube channel. So please, if you find this video useful, click on the like button and subscribe for more video like this, because I'll be coming back. I'll be analyzing the episode 2 of this analysis on my next YouTube video. Thank you so much. Click on the like button and subscribe. Thank you so much.